Do. Ta-da! There we go. Link. Does this work now? Yes, it does. But I feel like my microphone is too loud. Whatever. So we were here at Treehouse, and first let's just try to render a single room, and we can do that like this, I guess. Test room. Boom. Just like that. Room.init test name. Test name with that's 50 wide, and let's say it's 30 long. Okay, then we can first draw the play on top of it. Test room draw. We are drawing it at minus 10, minus 10. Hello world can go away for now. Okay, then this one can go at 0. So, bang. Of course. Expected type found 32. So, of course, with this float, and we need to have an int from float. Hi, Helena. What's up? You're doing good? Now, let's try again. Yeah, we got the little square now. It's maybe a bit too little. Let's put it, make it more. Make it 300 by 200. Ta-da! There we go. This is much better now. Yeah. And here is 0, so 0. Maybe we can actually center it. So the drawing of the room, we can where X and Y is, we can do offset is gonna be off. Okay. How should I name this? Whatever. Position x, and then x. It needs to be moved to the left, so it's gonna be minus x minus state point. Happy to hear that, Helena. Size x, but this needs to be int again. Oops. There's an arrow. That's I32. Can you just do this? Is this possible? Force X. Yeah, no, it is incompatible. It doesn't work like that. And this doesn't work too, I guess. Yeah, it must have known I32 like this. And now you can, yeah. Now we need to put this in half full because we want it centered in. We want it centered and not inverted. Yeah. So now the x is centered, so that's good. And now we want to do the same thing for y. So go to y here, tada. Now when we start, we're in the middle of the room, the green square. Let's go. Okay, and of course we can't forget the name. We also have to draw the text. Save.name. Position is this text is gonna look a bit weird, I feel like. Or maybe not, it's gonna be fine. Maybe font size is gonna be 20. And color is what's the color? Not yellow. What could be a good color for the text on a green background? Let's go with purple. I have no clue how that's gonna look like. Hey, it works. So we have a room here now with test name. That's great. And now I wanna have like render the whole tree, and I want to add 2 more rooms, which are gonna be like here and here, and after that I'm gonna try to like draw lines from the room to the other rooms. So let's go here. What I'm basically gonna do is I take the start node and from just the start node I'm just gonna take the children, but I'm not gonna go more deeper than this. I'm just gonna draw them one level deep. We can go here, do a function that is called fn build tree, or I can just do it in here. That's more logic. And I guess we can just call it default. Default. Tree. Default tree. So, done. And now we can just return start is in node and the room is name start room and size is 50 and 50. I'm just gonna use 50 for both for every room. Then children is gonna be dot room I think I'm just room node name first room oh god, what did I do? What the this looks a bit better now. Ta-da. Okie dokie. So like this, yes. Room first room 50 and 50, and then this other now dot room I forgot I had this function defined, so we can make this a bit shorter. So start. I think this one is wrong here. Yes, okay. First room, second room, 50 and 50. Room. And then dot children is nothing. Does it work like this? Is the question. This one doesn't belong here, and we can do this. Yes. No. So this is the starting room, this is the first room, and this is the second room. So let's, here we have a test room, but now we're gonna tree house, treehouse dot default. Wait. Yeah. And then we're just gonna tree dot draw. We are gonna implement that. So player can go. So then we go here. Draw. So we start with start node. Save dot start dot do start dot room dot draw at 0 0. Then we can go in a config and we can set a const room offset. Let's put it on 100. I see. Let's do boom y position. You can set it on 0. Or boom position. Yeah. Then we're gonna implement that after every level, I guess, that we draw. And then we can do y pos. We have to const config then do the room offset. And now here loop over children. But instead of that, we will just not do a loop, but just draw the first row of children. So I guess here we do loop over the children, but not recursively. For self dot start dot children, and we take the child and then c dot room dot draw, then add room white pos and oh, I see now they're both gonna get like drawn over each other. One has to okay, only the Y position has to be increased once per level, but then it has to be hold up. I guess I can leave it as that, but instead of plus I will do minus here. Let's see what, yeah, okay, of course we're gonna get errors. Root source file has no member named default. Okay. Because we have to, it has default. Wait. Okay. It has to be like this and not actual, not a member, but and here default is not like yeah, public, of course, has to be a public, and expected 3 arguments found 2. No, in the room we're expecting width and height and not a vector. So this should fix it. No, never mind. What do we have here? Okay. I guess we have to do some pointer casting here. Or I guess I can do I cannot do variable. Constant. What happens if I point? If I just do pointer cast, what will the next error message be here? Increases pointer. Okay, I don't know how to do this right now. Default tree. How are we gonna do this now? I guess we can just do some slicing. What will this output? Slice of non-array type. This is this is just struct, I see. Const build run node. Oh god, what the fuck did I do here? So what will this do? This will tree has found. Yeah, okay, it's the same thing. But I can do this. Yes. Children. So children is now a const node of 2. And I guess we can make children optional here actually. You don't have to actually have something, right? Is it a generic and array tree using? I guess so, yes. I'm basically just trying to build a tree here. Exactly. I'm just trying right now to just hard code the nodes. Yeah, exactly. This can be howdy. How's it going? Okay, here we have expected type. Okay, I guess we have to get make it constant or just remove convert the array to a slice, I guess. Yeah. Bean I did this a lot for my tiling window manager algorithm. Oh, okay. What has your like experience with it been, or like can you give any tips? I guess. Children, and now I guess we can. I'm doing something very ugly here. I'm very aware of that. Hold. Yeah, it's not the highest quality. I'm aware. Maybe I should actually just increase the font. This might be better now to read. Let's look in here what I have. It's in German, so I guess it has to be somewhere here. Video bitrate. Yeah, whatever. The stream bitrate. Yeah, this video bitrate, I guess. This has to go up. What's a good number? Okay. I will just bump this up. 6,000. Okay. Then I will go there. Let's make it 7,000. Actually. Question is if it like instantly updates or not. I'm not sure about that. Yeah. I see. But I hope you can see this at least with also the bigger font. So this should be good now. gives me still error. That's not the right thing. Okay, I have no clue what I'm doing here. How can I let me just hard code this, I guess. This is not the best way to do this, but whatever. Okay, now it's a const. Just remove this here, and well, content must be okay. Of course, we have to give it I32. Yeah, that's correct. I guess you can just write. I think this is correctly, or this. I'm not sure on that. No, it's not. Okay. Now we have to these. Now it works actually. It worked good, I guess. I see. So this is the starting room. It has the label starting. Okay. I actually have to increase the offset here now. Let's make it 200. 200 sounds good. Yeah, optional, exactly. You cannot iterate over an optional. So this is the first room here, which means this is this room here, the root. Basically, this is the root, and then we go down here because we adjust the position by giving the x and y offset. So it's now on the right starting here, and then the next one is gonna get the x position removed or like subtracted with offset again, which will make it the same x position as this one again. Okay, that makes sense. Cool. Okay, cool. And now we can try to do it a bit recursive, I guess. But maybe we can try to like balance it out, that it's instead of that it's here and here, that it's here and here. Yeah. Let's try that. First, I'm gonna fix this node struct here. I don't want this to be like this. I just want it to be a slice. And how will I do it? I guess. So children is now a array of nodes, and I'm pretty sure you can convert an array to a slice. I'm very sure of that. Just unsure like how exactly I can convert it if I just have to do this, but then I will have some problem with const stuff, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, expect the type node found, yeah, const to, I guess when I do a pointer cast here. Yeah, it's inferring the length of the items, exactly. pointer cast discards const qualifier. Exactly. I guess I'm just why is this const? This can be bar. It's doing stuff right now. Let's go. Okay, now. Wait. Transitive failure. Reuse dependency. Oh, that's not good. Yeah. Okay. 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 I guess this is a dependency error, but I'm not sure what's going on here with the dependencies. Just config room. But this one doesn't depend on anything. I guess I can try this. What this will do. Yeah, exactly. Global variable contains reference to comtime variable. Default set pointer points to comtime var declared here. Okay. Oh, this is comtime apparently. This variable is comtime. Okay. I guess I just get rid of this and make this public. Okay, now something else crashes. Integer overflow. I see. X minus the size. Hold up. So the sizes are always 50. And X is what I give it here. This room position is, but I can just do some logging actually. Log log drawing room at position X Y and size with height. Okay, I think this should be enough info. Zip name, size, no, just X, Y, size dot X, and size dot size Y. This should be enough info for now. Let's run this again and let's see what it does. Okay, drawing room start room at position 0, 0 with 50 and height 50. I see. And now it's something different, unreachable code. In the log. I see. The logging did something weird. I haven't seen this before, that a log crashes. Weird. So I'm trying to draw the room, and then it goes here to this debug call, and then this logging call, and then it goes here, and then from there it, not yet. I had a small idea for a project that would have been a candidate to try the language, Raylib Zig instead. Okay. Yeah, it has been very interesting to read his comments in the Discord. Always just working around and just reading what he has to say. It's very interesting. But hold up, I have to see what's going on here now. The name, the position, the width, and the height. What could be going wrong right now? Log, debug, content format, okay, I'm confused. Okay, let's just go with print, same shit. But it apparently does the same thing. I'm very confused. What if I just try to print the room? Okay. Whatever. Will this crash? Yes, actually it will. What? Can I print at all? Hi. This would be weird if this crashes, but yeah, okay. Wait, it printed it twice now. Okay. Like print. If you could just print this, or print my rect. Hold up. Okay, now it gives something else, but the error before was drawing the tree and then trying to draw a single room, and then it stopped at the printing. Let me go back a bit. Let me just copy this, and so I can just make it more visible what's happening here. So this is better. Standard debug print, drawing room S, and then the name. I guess you can just put any here, and then drawing. I can do this. Print self, and then add X and Y. X, Y. Let's see what this will do now. And yeah, here at this print it will call null pointer exception it's giving me. Okay, I forgot to add a new line here, but it's first one the room. Okay, you cannot see the name right now because it's not printed as a string. Yeah, it will print out all the values, but maybe not in. Or it doesn't print slices of U8s as strings. Yeah. No address available in the writer. Yeah. So it goes to this print call here, then buffered writer dot print, and then it just fails, which is interesting. If I just leave out x and y, will it do the same? It will, but apparently just printing or like anything. Yeah, this prints now, but this now is a different error of overflow. What is x I32? Yeah, this is very interesting. I see. Okay. Let's try to debug without no print debugging. I guess we can try to use LLDB. I saw recently the video about using LLDB with wait, do I have it here? Yes. But this is a different. Okay. I guess you have to dot zig out, right? Zig out bin. It has a debugger, and I can set a breakpoint here. And I can go here, then debug it. And now I'm right. I think I'm on this here now. And here I only have like the registers I can see, which is not the most helpful. But I guess I have a console here, but I am not sure if this is. I think this is LLDB actually. How can you like LDB print here I see P. I guess with P it is no okay P X. Okay, could not find type system for language. Like okay. Well. Yeah, it's called Veep. Vim bindings for the web. Yeah. I just like for me, you can just switch tabs like faster and yeah, and search stuff, and it's very simple. I don't need more in the browser. And though it has some issues with YouTube, but for that I made like use YouTube as like a Chrome app, so I just use, I guess, Chrome for that. Yeah, that's that. I guess I can step through the code, but not actually inspect stuff right now, which is not the best. Let me just increase it by 1, so that it's not. That it would be weird that there would be an. Actually, let's make it 2. So. Okay, now let's. Oh, wrong button. I wanted to click here. And let's run it again. But this still overflows, even though it goes off. Oh wait. Oh, okay, makes sense now. Stupid mistake, stupid me. Return local variable. Yeah. Dangling pointer. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. If I make this const, then I guess it cannot really be constant. Yeah. Yes, stack allocated, exactly. Or if I'm I will just allocate it, because I guess we still have memory. Const allocator read dot page allocator. I guess I'm just gonna use the page allocator. It doesn't matter. Then we just pass it in here. And then accept it here. Then standard. Then just children a dot alloc node 2 and then children 0 is that node, and then children 1 is that node. Formatting is a bit weird right now. Node. So yeah, this is fixed now, and then I can just do this like this. Compiler can get clever with constant declarations and effectively them at global lifetime or inline them, yes. Move the two var in. Yeah. The optimization. Yeah. Oh yeah, of course. We have locations can fail, of course. Then we have to also do it here. Okay, now it works. And I'm gonna change this back to room offset. And now, yes, okay, works as before. Okie dokie. First node and room. So it's a bit messy, but children first room 0. I'm just gonna define some random nodes here. Root node children can you have your allocator the global scope? Yes, you can. That's what I did here. I just defined it at a constant in the global scope in the main file. I could have done the same in this file here, but I wanted to keep it in main and pass it as an argument. Is there somebody? First 50, and this one has no children though. This is on first second. A children second node. This can go. Second. Yes. And then these children will be children first room and children second room. And now we go over here. I guess we can FN draw children, which takes children and slice of nodes. I guess creating a build. Yeah, it's only gonna be called once, so it's not a waste of time. Wait, then we can just over. now we are iterating over the child and child dot room dot draw. Exactly, the positions, we have to fix that. X I32 and Y I32. Then after we draw the room, we're gonna do some recursion and iterate over those children. Yes, exactly, you can have a global allocator. Why not just assign a value to the structure and then inline? Wait, what do you mean by that? Why not just assign a value to the structure then inline? That's fine. Just okay, I didn't understand the inlining part, but I guess yeah. Value like no children. I guess you mean just defining a bunch of values, top level values, and then just using them in the function, if that's what you mean. No, there's only one tree meant to be. Yeah, this is just a function, and I tried at first just to build the data structure just like as a literal, I guess, but yeah, I had some trouble with that, so I just did it that way. No, I guess you can. I tried at first like const default and then start is a room and then I tried to do this at first, yes, but I got quite a bit confused. So this is the way we're doing it now, and it's working. Okay. This will now do stuff. Okay, this only, yeah, of course. This will now, we need to call this, of course, self dot start dot children. We have room plus x and room plus y. Let's see how this will work out now. Of course. Draw text. What's the error here? Ah, okay, null pointer exception. Draw children, room dot draw, then draw text. The draw text is failing because I guess draw text it's not working. Nice work. Yes. I'm thinking name. I can probably also just do does this no okay comp time. This will not change the output of the program. Yeah, it's trying to draw the text, but it gets a null pointer exception at the text, I guess, or it tries to print each character text plus plus text length. I'm interested to just see what happens now when I do this. Okay, same thing. I think I should when I'm iterating over I think I should just take the pointer to the children or to the child. Okay, but yeah, something is wrong with trying to draw okay, trying to draw so it S. I'm just name. Oh wait. Room. Trying to draw the room. C dot room. So okay, what's happening here? So trying to draw the first room, and then it's going to draw the first of the second, and then the second, and then a second room, and then it gets an operator exception. So it drew the first room, but it did draw the start room. Yes, it did at the very beginning. So it drew the first room, and then oh right, okay, makes sense. I've yeah, my bad. I didn't initialize. This was just empty, like garbage memory that I got back, and I forgot to set it. I was confused why it started with first room, but then with second. Yes, but this should hopefully, like, yeah. Okay, this is working now. Great. But the positions are still wrong. Yeah, Raylib uses C strings. That's true. That's true. But yeah, that was just a skill issue on my part. Yeah, let's get the rooms working. The X position, I guess. The X. X and then X plus. I have no idea what I'm doing with the values now. I'm just trying to do something. Then I'm just interested what will happen now. How? Yeah. Exact. Yeah. Okay. I see. I got the triangle now. Yeah, that's true. That's very annoying to describe the tree structure like this. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Oh. Yoink. Okay. Now I guess we draw it here and then with the offset to the left. But first we draw this first room and then we add the offset again and then we go one back. And when this is done, then it's going here again, then here, and then it's going to the second room, and then it's drawing it with the offset here again. So these are overlapped here. I guess when I do this times 2, this might just look more prettier. Just like this, yes. But these are overlapped again too. I guess when I want to now structure them like better, or like, so space them out, I need to calculate the depth of the tree, and then I can see how big they are, and then I can like position them accordingly. Let's try that. Let's add a parameter here called depth, and then just because I can max depth, then max depth minus depth, and then when I go here, then I add depth plus 1, and max depth stays the same. Here this stays the same, but the depth here is 2, 1, 0. I know, this is like that. Okay. Wait. Depth plus 1. So the depth is 1 and the max depth is 2. So the offset should be first, it's times 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's just the room offset, and then there's gonna be no offset. Okay. I guess I can go like this actually. No, it doesn't do anything to. Wait. What if I just play with the values here? What's the out? Ah, I see. Okay, yeah. I guess this is right, but the starting position. Times len times select dot start dot children dot len times 2. This should probably give the same value, but expected time found your size. yeah, whatever. That's it for today. Bye bye.